No crap. Okay. Hey, how are you? I'm Officer Bernard with the traffic unit. Okay. Can you kind of tell me what happened when you were driving from here down to Thomas Street?
Yeah, okay, so I was like right before where the I guess yellow line, like, or the yellow lines like turn into like the turning lane, and I felt my mirror go in.
Okay.
And I like looked around for anything, and I didn't see anything, and I had my like turn signal on to turn because I was like, okay, like did like another car like.
Okay. Is there a reason why you didn't stop or anything?
Well, it was like right before the turning lane, and all of these cars were going around me, and I promise, like, if I saw like another car, if I even like knew, I don't know, I think I just froze.
Let me see that. Okay. Well, it wasn't a car. Okay. Just step out of the vehicle for me before we get emotional. Here. All right. So, come here. You can go right where these up. You're fine. You're okay. Yeah, we're just gonna talk. When you came to this intersection right here, correct? Yeah. Was anything flashing? Anything?
No.
Okay.
No, not at all. Oh my god, if it was, I would have stopped. Oh my god.
Okay.
It was like, it was raining. I didn't see anything. Oh my god, if it was flashing, I would have immediately stopped. Nothing was flashing.
Well, unfortunately, the thing is, a pedestrian was crossing at that time. Now listen. She's okay. But it wasn't a car that you had. Okay. She's okay. There's no severe injury to it. Okay. But we do have video of the incident.
Oh my god. Okay.
The lights were flashing and everything like that.
They were flashing? Oh my god.
Yes.
I'm so, I did not see that they were, it was raining. I did not see that they were flashing.
Is your ID in the car? Your wallet?
Yeah.
At this moment, the case takes a critical turn. The driver repeatedly insists that the pedestrian lights were not flashing, but the officer says the incident was captured on video, and according to that footage, the warning lights were active. That does not automatically prove she was lying. Human memory is not a perfect recording, especially during a stressful event. People often reconstruct what they believe happened based on what they noticed or failed to notice in the moment. But legally and morally, the more important question is not whether she remembers seeing the lights, it is whether a reasonably attentive driver should have seen them. Rain, darkness, and poor visibility may explain how a hazard was missed, but they do not erase the driver's responsibility to slow down. And once objective video contradicts a person's first account, investigators must ask whether this was an innocent failure of perception or an attempt to minimize what happened.
I'll grab it. Is it this one lying right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
The ID's in there. I think it's in like the front one.
Alright, so at this point, you're going to be charged with hit and run and failing to yield to a pedestrian, okay?
Oh my god.
Alright. How old are you?
I'm 21.
You're 21?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I did not see the lights. I did not see it. I'm so sorry. I did not see the lights flashing. It was raining. It was dark. Yeah, I would like to see the video. And my windows were like fogging up. And
I can talk to her.
Were you in the vehicle at the time? She just picked you up? Are you at my house? Okay. Are you intoxicated right now? Okay. She's not intoxicated.
She walked away.
She walked away and everything. Okay.
But you see where she clicks
the
button.
God. Oh my god.
And then she gets
I am so
in front of your car.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And she has to dodge.
Yeah. No,
okay.
that is oh my god. I don't even know what to say. That is
So
oh my
who
god.
was in the car with you?
That's my friend. I was going to her house to study, and I I was just, I got the call and I didn't know like what it was, and I was freaking out because I didn't know what it was.
So,
Officer Bernard, at this time,
oh my God.
Okay? Is it all right if your friend takes your car?
Listen.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh
Listen.
my God, oh my God.
I'm gonna go over there first.
Oh my God, oh my God. No,
Listen,
my friend,
I need
we
you
don't
to...
live at the same place, we don't live at the
No,
same place.
listen. It's either, would you like her to take your vehicle?
Yeah.
Or it's going to get towed?
No, she can take my vehicle.
Okay, that's what we're trying to get at.
My phone, it's in the car. Oh my God.
Listen to me. They're not warrants or anything. They are citations. You'll be able to bond out tonight. Okay?
Okay, how long? Do you know how long I'm gonna be?
It's probably going to be like 2 hours. Okay?
Okay.
And that's it. All right?
Oh my God.
So they're just 2 citations.
How long is this gonna say on my record? I mean, I can't.
It's just, listen, they're traffic citations, okay? They're not going to be on your record for that long or anything like that, okay? It's not going to screw your life away. It's not like a criminal trespass or domestic charge or anything like that,
You're sure?
okay?
Like, you're like 100%
Yes.
sure? Like, I am so sorry. Like, oh my God. Like, this is like really, like,
I understand, but hit and run is an arrestable offense, okay?
Yeah.
But listen, they are 2 citations. So if your friend waits for 2 hours, she can come bond you out. That's it.
Can you tell her that?
Yep, we'll inform her of everything like that, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pat you down. Do you have anything that's gonna stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No.
Okay.
Absolutely not. It's fine.
Do you have shorts on, sweetheart?
Yeah, I do have shorts on.
Did they explain what's going on?
They did.
Okay.
They said that she's under duress.
Okay, so she's getting charged with hit and run and failing to yield to a pedestrian, okay? There are 2 citations that they can get bonded out tonight. If you want to take the vehicle and just wait, she'll be able to grab like 3 phones out of her, or excuse me, 3 phone numbers out of her phone, and she'll be able to call somebody and she'll be able to bond out tonight. They're just citations.
And then
Okay.
when she bonds out,
Somebody can go pick her up, however that is dealt with, okay? But she'll be able to get numbers out of her phone and contact people, okay?
And I'm able to drive this car.
Yes.
Okay.
Just breathe.
I know.
All right, this is not going to be the end of the world, okay? Thank God you didn't seriously hurt somebody. That's the big takeaway from this, okay? That young lady is not seriously injured, okay? So be thankful for that.
Okay.
Okay?
Is there like I don't know if it's like I don't know, like against like rules or something, but like am I allowed to like know who she is, like, and like make sure that she's okay?
So
like,
that's not information we can give
Okay.
you, because this is obviously an active investigation.
okay.
That information will be available in the police report when it's completed and available for release once we have completed what we need to do. But for right now, I can't give you that information. What I can tell you is the young lady is going to be fine. Her friend is taking her to the hospital just to get checked out. That's precautionary, because anytime you're hit by any part of a vehicle, it's just a good idea, right?
No, yeah, absolutely. Oh my God,
Okay.
I do not blame her. That no, oh my God.
So why couldn't you see what you hit? Just out of curiosity.
My car fogs up sometimes when it's like raining, and
Do you know how to clear the windshield from that?
Yeah, I put on like the thing to like, and
The defroster.
I rolled down my windows to like get it off like the windows or whatever. And I'm gonna be honest, like I wasn't a little like preoccupied, just kind of like on autopilot, because I have this like big assignment thing like due tomorrow that I was gonna go over to. I was on my way to my friend's house to go work on, and I was just like, sometimes I go on like autopilot,
Kind of zone out.
yeah, and which is like so like, oh my God, like.
This admission may be one of the most revealing moments in the entire encounter. The driver says she was preoccupied with an assignment, operating on autopilot, and sometimes zoning out behind the wheel. Many drivers will recognize that feeling. A familiar route can become so automatic that the mind drifts elsewhere, but familiarity creates its own danger. The vehicle keeps moving even when the driver's attention is no longer fully engaged. The fogged windshield makes the situation even more concerning. If visibility was poor enough that she could not identify what struck her mirror, continuing to drive was itself a serious risk. A driver is expected to adjust to the conditions, not simply maintain speed and hope the road remains clear. Her honesty may help explain the collision, but explanation is not the same as justification. In fact, her own account suggests that this was not one isolated mistake. It was a chain of decisions made while her visibility and attention were both compromised.
I need to be like more aware.
Well, we
like,
need to not do that when we're driving.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know. I think I just like brushed it off. It's just like, okay, like that was weird. I think just some car's mirror, like it hit my mirror, and
don't brush them off no more.
No, oh my God, absolutely not.
Okay, let us come out. Let us take a look at things, and if you're the victim of it, then you can get a report from us. We can try and like we did in this case, find who was the other party involved. Best case scenario, you stay put, you help the young lady. We get a report for failure to yield to a pedestrian in a crosswalk, and that's the end of your night. You get one ticket instead of having to go to the county jail for leaving the scene of a crash that resulted in injuries to a pedestrian.
The driver felt her mirror fold inward. She knew something unusual had happened, yet she continued driving because she assumed another vehicle had clipped her. That assumption became the dividing line between a traffic violation and an alleged hit and run. Drivers are not expected to instantly understand every collision. But when there is a noticeable impact, the safest response is to stop somewhere secure, check for injuries, and contact emergency services. Leaving removes the possibility of helping the injured person and can make the driver appear indifferent or evasive, even if panic or confusion was the real cause. The officer makes the contrast clear. Had she remained at the scene, the night might have ended with one citation. Instead, she was taken to jail for leaving a crash involving an injured pedestrian. The central lesson is uncomfortable but simple. A mistake causes the collision. What someone does next often determines the seriousness of the case.
The other thing is if your windows start to fog up, let's not drive until we get them unfogged.
Oh my God, yeah, no, absolutely.
Because that was one of the reasons that one of the fatalities happened, because the lady had a tinted windshield, but she couldn't see the guy when she hit him.
Yeah.
Right? And so we have to keep our windshields unobstructed, okay?
Yeah.
This is not going to ruin you, okay? It's not going to ruin you, okay? You'll bond out of jail tonight or early in the morning, however long it takes them out there to get their process in order.
Yeah.
And you'll have a court date, and you'll go to court, and the judge will make a decision on, probation, time already served more than likely, community service hours, stuff like that. And you'll balance that out with your work, school, life schedule, and you'll be fine. It's a misdemeanor offense. It's not a felony. You'll be fine. Your car insurance is going to go up, but other than that, you'll be okay.
Because it's a misdemeanor, though, like, is that going to affect, like, my ability to, like, stay in school and to get a job?
I don't think so. University deals with stuff like this all the time. Kids get arrested for underage possession of alcohol, and they don't get kicked out of school. Right?
Yeah, but I feel like, I don't know, this just feels like...
It's a crash.
worse.
Crashes happen.
Yeah,